Checking on Money Matters this morning, Shut Eye in the Sky is now available on one discount airline.
And oil slumps to its lowest level in a year as fear of the coronavirus spreads. Jane King joins us live from the NASDAQ with those stories and more in this morning's Money Matters report. Good morning to you, Jane.
Yeah,
so
good morning.
Oil has been one of the hardest hit markets by the coronavirus, and we've seen just in general stocks take a plunge as well.
There's been all kinds of markets moving based on the headlines of this, and oil is now at the lowest price in a year. So there are fears that the coronavirus will take a major toll on the global economy. It kind of already has, in particular travel. So oil prices down 7% just this week. They're a little bit lower this morning as well.
Tell us about Nestle. I guess they've halted all their business travel as well.
That's right, particularly to Asia and Italy. Now, Nestle is based in Switzerland, so they're European-based, but they're pushing phone calls, video conferences, other alternatives to travel. The food company told its almost 300,000 employees to suspend all international business travel until at least March 15th. And we're seeing, just in general, event planners saying there's a chill beyond China even. About 3/4 of large business event planning companies surveyed by the trade publication MeetingsNet said clients had canceled or postponed events, in particular the Asia-Pacific region.
Yeah, considering the number of people infected, that's not a real big surprise. Let's switch gears here, though, Jane. So a director says that Apple won't let their iPhones be used by villains in movies anymore?
Yes, so Ryan Johnson, who is the director of Knives Out, which I actually just watched last weekend, and it's pretty good, told Vanity Fair that only good guys can be seen with iPhones. Now, if his claim is true, that means all iPhone-toting mystery characters are good guys by default, so that kind of destroys any suspense when you try to figure out who the good and bad guy is
Good point.
in a movie.
Very true.
Apple has not responded to the New York Post request for comment about whether his statements hold water.
And then please do fill us in on which airline is going to be providing small bunk beds for economy class flyers.
Yes. Well, this is Air New Zealand. So I don't know if you got a plan going to New Zealand anytime soon. Maybe you could take, one thing about this is it's a many hours flight just to get anywhere from New Zealand. So it's part of why they're doing this. But their new economy class has sleeping pods. So each individual pod, it's 22 by 78. So it's slimmer than a twin mattress. Does come with a pillow, sheets, blanket, earplugs, privacy curtains as well. There is an extra fee. The airline did not say how much it was, though, but it might be worth it.
Oof, it would.
That's the question, though.
And tell us what the Dow is this morning, right now, or from overnight trading.
Okay, so we're looking lower again, more than 300 points down. So this isn't over yet, and we'll see if we can bounce back. But still, a lot of uncertainty still about the virus. That's why we're down this morning.
All right, Jane King joining us live. Thanks so much, Jane.
Okay.